morning to everyone present here.
We are delighted to have amongst our provincial Father Xavier Silveira on this day. Thank you, Father, for coming to our institution.
I invite Principal Ma'am to introduce Father Provincial to us all.
Don Bosco amongst us. That is what we feel when we see Father Xavier Silveira, a provincial, amongst mingling with us. It's my honor to welcome you and introduce you to our students, dear Father. Father Silveira is the 11th provincial of our Mumbai province, a province that comprises of 4 states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, with 34 institutions. And we all look forward to his annual fatherly visits, which gives us guidance and encouragement. Born in Goa, educated in Goa and Maharashtra, worked in different places of the province, went on to Italy to gain a master's over there, and then he is our provincial today. Father is an enthusiastic environmentalist, the founder of Green Lines Alliance, and the convener of the Green Line that we are looking forward to. I'm sure many of you are part of the Green Warriors, aren't you? An avid reader, a passionate, what can I say, passionate organizational skills, and very, very warm-hearted personality is our provincial. It is always a pleasure to listen to you. Today morning, you heard him telling us about a dream which will take you to not only dream for yourself, but dream for the others around you. We welcome you, Father, to our institution. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
As a gesture of gratitude, we would like to felicitate Father Provincial with a small token. Thank you, friends.
We now have a short presentation by the members of the Student Council.
Good morning, Reverend Father Provincial. We welcome you to Don Bosco Nero. I, Nicole Quadras, along with my student council members, Anuj Jha and Pratik Tripathi, will take you on a short journey of the wonderful year we've had so far.
St. John Bosco, our founder, said, "Remember that education is the matter of the heart, not just the mind." At John Bosco Nerul, we echo St. John Bosco wisdom, and guided by this philosophy, we nurture holistic development for a brighter future. In the words of our rector, Dr. Father Barnaby D'Souza, we are dedicated to fostering academic excellence through the pillars of research, digital learning, career education, and mental health.
We enjoy experiential learning like research-focused learning in the value education programs for class 1 to 8. You will enjoy one of these today. Students of class 9 to 12 benefit from comprehensive career guidance program, aptitude test, career talks by experts in the field, career fair. This year, we had 35 plus domestic and international institutions, empowering learners for global citizenship. We are proud of our student-led presentations covering multiple professions. The efforts put in by the teachers has seen a great improvement in the results of the students throughout the school and has bridged the learning gap created during the COVID pandemic. Our students of class 10th and 12th fared well at the board exams with Aditi Kanchan, Vaishnavi Shetty and Nikhil Raghav having scored 97.2% in class 10th, and students of class 12th, Kezia Matthews scored 96.6% in humanities, Suhani Bishnoi with 95.8 in commerce, Abhinav Singh with 94.4% in PCM, and Yastha Yadav with 91.4% in PCB.
Don Bosco School Nerul places a strong emphasis on a range of extracurricular activities through social outreach visits. Class 9 to 12 interacted with senior citizens in old age homes, street children in shelter homes, slums in rural and urban areas. Elysian Fest, Inter-School MUN, again led by the students and guided by the teachers. Math and science exhibitions, subject excellent projects, and more.
Our school embraces digital learning using platforms like blogs, different AI tools, while also raising awareness on cybersecurity and responsible cell phone usage. We are assessed by digital assessment, which emphasizes on application-based learning, smoothly integrating the use of ICT in the teaching learning process.
Mental health is a strong priority in our school. We are blessed with Prafulta, a center that caters to emotional and psychological well-being with expert therapists, remedial work, and much more.
Collaboration is the key to success, and our school recently hosted the Open Forum for Principals on 10th January, which brought together principals to discuss and brainstorm the latest trends in education from across Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. A CBSE training program was hosted by our school on 13 January on learning outcomes and pedagogies, another feather in our cap towards making our school NEP compliant.
Our school participated in various activities of Green Line, some of them being street play on safe water, ocean cleanup drive at Jewel of Navi Mumbai, K20 conference similar to G20 for students. We are proud of the award we have won, where we were ranked 3rd in Mumbai and 12th in Maharashtra among CBSE schools by Education Today. Also ranked 1st in research and innovation, ranked 1st in innovative teaching, and 1st in integrated learning.
Our school has partnered with an NMMC school to teach English to the 9th and 10th class students. After school hours, the oratory is conducted for underprivileged children who come from nearby areas to study, and the school grounds are open to them for recreation. A community fridge is set up where daily packed meals are distributed to whoever needs food.
Adult literacy, skilling that is job oriented, support in Aadhaar PAN card enrollment, and sharing of school resources are carried out in 17 villages. Don Bosco Academy offers an abundance of activities. We conducted filmmaking course in collaboration with France. We have courses running for hospitality, aviation, etc. Dance, arts, music are ongoing classes. Overall, Don Bosco Nerul has now become a hub for education and skilling and is the center of the community at large, putting us on the map of Navi Mumbai for our academic and social works. We hope to take the works and dreams of the Salesians forward through our institution and make it a benchmark for years to come.
Thank you.
We come to the second part of the program.
The previous year has been an integral one for our country as we made it to the south pole of the moon.
I second that. Space has been much discussed topic ever since.
The vibe of the topic space has reached here too. Therefore, today we have with us students of classes 6C and 6D presenting to us the secrets of space.
Good morning, everyone. We welcome you all to this esteemed assembly dedicated to our boundless realm of space. Today, we embark on this journey through the cosmos, exploring the wonders of this space and the limitless
Exploration of space park innovation inspire you all and deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the universe.
A typical school classroom buzzes with the energy of students settling into their desk. The school bell rings. The teacher, Mrs. Sharma, stands in front.
Students, before you go for your break, I have an exciting assignment. I want each of you to delve into the life and achievements of remarkable individual Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai was a visionary scientist, pioneering space researcher in India. I want you to understand the significance of his work, how it has shaped our country's scientific landscape. Be prepared to share your findings with the class. Thank you, class.
Shaunak is seated gazing out of a window at a night sky filled with bright stars. His mom enters his room, noticing her son's fascination.
Shaunak, what's on your mind tonight?
Mom, I was wondering, how did the universe begin? How did it all start?
Well, that's a big question, but I'll do my best to try and explain it in a way you can understand. Alright, Shaunak, imagine a long, long time ago, before there was anything in this universe, there was just one tiny, incredibly small point. It was so small that you can't even imagine how small it was.
Really, Mom? That tiny?
Yes, Shaunak, it was incredibly tiny. And then something amazing happened. That tiny point suddenly exploded with an enormous amount of energy, much more than we can ever imagine. This explosion is what we call the Big Bang.
Wow, a big explosion!
Yes, Shaunak, it was a very big explosion. And from that explosion, everything we see around us, the stars, the planets, the galaxies, and even us started to form. The universe began to expand and grow.
So, Mom, everything in the universe came from that one tiny point?
That's right, Shaunak. From that tiny point and powerful explosion, the universe began to take shape, and it's been expanding and changing ever since.
But, Mom, what was there before the Big Bang?
Well, that's a question that scientists are still trying to figure out. Some think that there might not have been anything before the Big Bang, and the universe in itself was everything there is. But why all these questions all of a sudden?
Today our teacher told us to learn about Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and that got me wondering. Can you tell me about him?
Now, we'll discuss that later on. It is past your bedtime. Let's go.
Shaunak sleeps and suddenly jolts awake with a loud noise.
Shaunak gets up and walks around. He sees that the room is filled with scientists and engineers, the air humming with anticipation, where Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is standing himself with his secretary.
Welcome, Shaunak. I am Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, a name synonymous with India's space exploration journey. As the founding father of the Indian Space Research Organization, my life's work has been dedicated to advancing science, fostering innovation, and propelling our nation to new heights in the realm of space exploration. Meet my secretary, Avika. Welcome, Mr. Shaunak.
I cannot believe. Mr. Sarabhai, it is a pleasure to meet you. Can you tell me where am I?
Shaunak, my friend, you are at the heart of the Indian Space Research Organization. I initiated this role with a vision to harness the power of science and technology for the benefit of our nation to reach for the stars and the beyond. Welcome to my world.
Greetings, Shaunak. I am Dr. Homi Bhabha, a name. Greetings, Shaunak. I Dr. Homi Bhabha, a scientist deeply passionate about nuclear science. Together with Vikram Sarabhai, we embarked on a journey that fused the realms of space exploration and nuclear advancement. I am considered the father of the Indian nuclear program and one of the most prominent scientists in the country's history.
Mr. Sarabhai, Mr. Baba, it's an honor to be in your presence. I have read so much about your contributions to science and the nation. This place is a combination of dreams and discoveries. Come on, let me give you a tour and show you some important space instruments that you can find here.
Now, Shaunak, feast your eyes on the marvels of exploration. This is the Hubble telescope. It has been capturing the beauty of the universe for over 3 decades, offering glimpses into the cosmos that have expanded our understanding of the universe. It travels at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour and has covered a distance equivalent to a trip to Neptune, the furthermost planet of our solar system. It has peered back into very distant past to location more than 13.4 billion light years away from the Earth. Just recently, our indigenous space telescope captured unprecedented images of Chandrayaan 3 mission's lunar landing site and helped us to correct our mistakes.
Now, Shaunak, can you tell me what your generation is obsessed with?
Obsessed? I think with pictures and social media. Here we have something not as dangerous as social media, but in fact it's useful. This is the Skip camera, a technological marvel tailored for its high resolution imaging with its precision optics and advanced sensors. During the Mangalyaan mission, the Skip camera played a crucial role in capturing the detailed images of the Martian surface. These images aided in identifying potential landing sites for the future missions. What is that?
Our communication antennas, the silent sentinels of our space missions. They tirelessly transmit and receive signals, connecting us with satellites in orbit and spacecraft venturing beyond our atmosphere. These antennas are currently relaying real-time communication with the Cartosat 3 satellite, assisting in monitoring and mapping critical areas on Earth for various applications, including urban planning and disaster management.
Now come here, Shaunak.
These spectrographs are a key to cosmic detectors. By analyzing the unique fingerprints of light emitted by stars and galaxies, we discern the chemical composition of celestial bodies. It's a crucial tool in deciphering the cosmic puzzle and understanding the universe's grand tapestry. Our spectrographs recently contributed to the identification of specific minerals on asteroids during the Aditya L1 mission.
Shaunak, what do you think about the weather nowadays?
So, the air quality index is very poor. Mumbai, a coastal city, has long benefited from the natural sea breeze to help keep pollution levels in check. However, environmental experts now believe that this is no longer enough as global warming is changing wind and weather patterns. Our neglect of Earth's environment is evident in the harmful dust in our air. However, it's essential to differentiate between the harmful pollution on Earth and cosmic dust in space. While airborne pollutants affect our health, space dust plays a vital role in the cosmic processes without harming us. Our dust detectors, finely tuned instruments designed to sift through the subtle whispers of the cosmic dust. The dust detectors on the Indian Astrosat satellite have recently provided insights into the interstellar medium, helping us understand the distribution of the cosmic dust and its role in shaping the evolution of galaxies. Wow! Is it Chandrayaan 3?
Yes, come on.
Welcome to Chandrayaan 3.
Welcome to Chandrayaan 3. The mission will consist of three components: an orbiter, a lander named Vikram, and a rover named Pragyan. It will be launched on July 14, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. On August 17, the lander module will separate from the propulsion module. The first and the second deboosting will occur on August 18th and 20th respectively. With this, India will become the first nation to land on the moon's south pole and the fourth after Russia, the US and China to land on the Earth's only natural satellite.
I think I'm from the future because let me tell you, this mission is accomplished and definitely successful. It was a proud moment for all of us.
Wow! Seems like you really are from the future, Shaunak.
I'm starting to love this place. Is that APJ Abdul Kalam's painting?
Yes, it is a magical painting. Come closer.
Hi, Mr. Shana. Hi, Mr. Shana. I'm APJ Abdul Kalam. I've achieved a lot in space and defense, but it's crucial to remember that our scientific progress should go hand in hand with taking care of our environment. Our scientific achievements are meaningful when they don't harm our planet. We must strive for a balance between innovation and environmental care to ensure a beautiful Earth for generations to come.
So, it is time. The spacecraft is ready to go.
Ready to go? Where?
It is time for you to go to space.
Let's go, Mr. Shaunak.
Where am I going?
We are launching you into space.
Space? Really? Well, let me tell you, it was great meeting the Rocket Boys and explore your world.
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Mom, you won't believe the dream I just had.
I hope, friends, today we have not only ventured into space but also learned the secrets of space. I hope it has sparked your curiosity and made you inquisitive.
We have such vast knowledge thanks to technology, scientists, and most importantly, astronauts. Today, we would like to pay tribute to astronauts, the brave explorers who have ventured into space, expanding human knowledge and inspiring generations. Let us honor their legacy in our quest to reach the stars. So free astronauts, Navy officers, a devotee born in 1965 with a spirit so high, I danced with the stars in the endless sky. From Nedim to Euclid, my roots were spread. It said in spacewalks and record, I found my claim, a testament to courage, a celestial flame.
Meet Yuri Gagarin, a hero's tale to tell from Clusino's birthplace where dreams swell. Born in 1931 in Russia's embrace, I entered the space, a pioneering race. On April 12 in 1961, I ascended the first human in space. A legends blend 1 hour and 28 minutes in a flight. Yuri Gagarin, a star shining bright.
A name we admire, an astronaut and physicist. My path set on fire, born in Los Angeles in 51. I did rise, the third woman in space, reaching for the skies. At just 32, I soared through the blue, a record breaker with dreams to pursue. In NASA's embrace, I found my place, a pioneer woman in the cosmos grace. A trailblazer with might, a physician and engineer reaching new height.
Born in 56, I shattered the norm, the first African American in space's grand storm. In 8 days I did spend orbiting Earth, a mission to attend. In science specialist, my journey's delight, Mae Jemison, a star shining bright. I, Kalpana Chawla, an Indian-born dream, astronaut in America, a celestial scheme, born in Karnal, 62, with a passion so vast. I followed my dreams, breaking free from the past. In 82, I crossed the ocean's gleam to chase my ambition, to live my dream. In 97, I soared into space's domain, a record breaker, a cosmic rain. In the realm of cosmic dreams, let me unfold my tale as Rakesh Sharma, brave and bold. I was born on January 13, 1949, in Patiala's land, with a destiny at the sky. To understand Earth's comforting, I soared on Soyuz T-11 through the endless sky. Sare jahan se acha, I echoed with pride on that celestial ride.
Our legacy lives on. In the stars we reside. Heroes of space, in our hearts we abide. In poetry we honor our cosmic flights, a tribute to our courage in the endless nights.
Let us now watch a video of Mr. Anil Kumar, who is a scientist at ISRO. He worked with ISRO for the past 17 years, being part of various teams that support ISRO's activities, including the glorious moon mission Chandrayaan. Mr. Anil Kumar is an alumni of NSS Engineering, Kerala, from where he pursued his Bachelor's of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering.
We have with us one of the architects behind India's glorious moon mission. Please welcome Mr. Anil Kumar, scientist, Indian Space Research Organization, otherwise known as ISRO. Welcome, sir.
Thank you for your warm welcome.
Talking about ISRO, can you tell us what is the most unique thing that ISRO does, what other space agencies don't?
The unique thing that we have done is you have already explained that on 23rd of August 2023, we have landed on the South Pole area of Moon. Right? So, this is a unique achievement. No other country has done it. And in addition to that, all the missions of ISRO, whether it is a remote sensing mission, or it's a communication mission, or it's any development program, we are doing all in a very cost-effective manner compared to other space agencies around the world. So these are the unique features of ISRO.
That was enlightening. For the next question, which some of my friends would like to know is the universe actually expanding or is it just a theory?
The universe is actually expanding. You might have heard the Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory shows the evolution of the present universe from a state of high density and high temperature. So scientist Edwin Hubble, he has discovered that the galaxies which are far away from us are receding at a faster rate than the galaxies near to us. That means the universe is expanding uniformly in all directions. So it's not a theory. The universe is expanding. Is it clear?
Yes. What would be your message to all the aspiring students of Don Bosco School?
We should focus on our aim. And what the next thing we should have? The willingness for hard working. So if you are doing a hard work to attain the aim, definitely we can succeed. And we can say that all of us are born with almost same level of intelligence. With the clear aim and with the chasing our dreams and with hard work only, we can reach that level. And I wish you, and let me take this opportunity to express sincere gratitude to the Don Bosco School authorities for giving me such an opportunity to interact with them once. And I wish all of you, a bright future. Special thanks to Malavika for these wonderful questions. Thank you.
Well, that was a wonderful chat with you, sir. We thank you on behalf of Don Bosco and sparing your valuable time and share your thoughts with us. Thank you again.
Oh, that was beautiful. Let us now have some fun with a rap song presented by our friends.
Come on, guys, put your hands up in the air as you expect the unexpected. The first plane of space is a cosmic race. Humanity's puzzle in this boundless space. Colder than ice in this endless embrace. Take a drum, sun, let's give it a chase. Tiny white doctor, let's salute. I'm a star, looking fusion now into. Orbiting Mars, aims about to be school. Fledged, letting hard, get ready, it's up to you. If you can't found, make a few mistakes. Learning where we never thought we'd be in case. Mercury closest stars, but in our haze. When it's blowing from Earth, the only one race. Must could you have a life, but six springs to fit us with little like hidden cues. Silent the flow or off like a water swings. You want it to be an emotional star, it links. Neptune it is to see in the night. Glory you and his steps out of sight. Time wrap programmation takes flight. Back to yesterday our dreams ignite. Moment as a constellation to a pirate side of job. Side and is life. Part of me out to take cosmic flight. To me in galaxies, celestial right. Beyond the Milky Way, where mysteries unfold. If we lost for the souls, you may not be told. Black holes that give us a matter for. A universe so vast it never grows old. So love and smith are secret to the night. Planets sex and all their celestial right. Galactic wonders of petting sky. In this cosmic dance, find our life. We are stardust beings part of the grand scheme. In this cosmic tapestry, we are more than a message. Exploring the unknown, chasing innocent dream. In the heart of cosmos, we find our esteem so. Oh space, swallow me whole, let me roam. In the dark expanse, I'll find my home. Among stars and galaxies, I freely roam, waiting for the black hole where mysteries roam. Come on, guys! Through all the supernova, we transcend. Our quest for understanding, it has no end. The space of forgotten message we send. There are places in the universe we'll defend. So let's journey our war to the great unknown. In the cosmos embrace, we've truly grown. The space drop at the summit to how we've flown. In the ever expanding universe, our seeds are sown. Our seeds are sown. Our seeds are sown. Our seeds.
That was indeed a show. Let's give them a roaring round of applause. We are ardent to hear from our Father Provincial, requesting Father Provincial to address us all.
Dear Father Barnaby, our rector, Sangeeta ma'am, our principal, Father Akhil, vice principal, dear supervisors, members of the staff, teachers, and my dear students. It has indeed been a fascinating experience spending this last half hour in the hall watching the presentation by our students, I believe from standard 6th C and 6D. My very, very hearty congratulations to you for this excellent program that we have just had, which was truly enlightening, much to learn, and put up in such an amazing manner. My very hearty congratulations to the teachers who have been behind the program, training the students assisting them with the presentation this morning. Allow me to say that it has always been my great dream and hope also to visit ISRO, and I am deeply grateful to Shaunak for having taken me to ISRO this morning. And I also thank him because, if I had gone on my own, just as a normal Father Savio, maybe I would not have really seen very much. But in the company of Shaunak this morning, I got to meet Dr. Homi Bhabha, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. Abdul Kalam. I mean, what more can we ask for? So thank you very much for this fantastic experience that we have had this morning. Allow me also to congratulate the school, particularly the management, the principal, the staff members, and of course every student for the many achievements that we have heard about this morning when the school report was presented. You have won several prestigious awards in the CBSE section. Don Bosco Nerul is now number 3 in the city of Mumbai, number 12 in Maharashtra. Of course, I'm very sure next year when I'm here for the visitation, we will have moved up from number 3 in Mumbai to at least number 2 in Mumbai, and we will also have moved up from number 12 to the first 10 in Maharashtra. So congratulations to you for the wonderful achievements, and particularly my thanks to the staff members, because it is, thanks to the hard work, the dedication that they are putting in, that the school is growing so beautifully. Allow me to share just a very simple and single thought with you based on what we have just seen. I think all of us can take many, many learnings from the presentation this morning, and so I do not need to add too many thoughts. We have watched this fantastic presentation on space, on science, on research, and I believe one of the characteristics that every student in our school here should develop whilst you are in the school is the quality of an inquiring mind. The quality of an inquiring mind. That really is the foundation for all scientific research that happens. As we go about our daily life and our daily chores, there is so much happening around us, so much that we see, but very often we do not look at reality deeply. We do not inquire into what is happening. We do not ask relevant questions. We do not ask, for example, how do I contribute to this situation? Problems that we might be facing. How do we answer those problems? How do we find solutions to them? In the city here of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, for example, during the course of the conversation on the stage, we heard about dust in the city which is causing pollution. It's good for us to look at this reality and ask ourselves, so what do I invent? What do I come up with in order to respond to this situation? Or so many other areas where we need to have this inquiring mind, to be asking questions, to be looking for solutions, to be looking for creative ways to respond to it. And my very humble request, especially to the teachers, is to support inquiring minds, to make it conducive for children to become inquirers. Because very often what happens is we actually, unfortunately, because of our school system, sometimes suppress inquiry and creativity. If we didn't have, people who have supported inquiry and creativity, we would not have had a Homi Bhabha or a Vikram Sarabhai. We need people who are able to support young minds to become inquirers, to become creative. And the school needs to give a variety of opportunities, even in this whole field of scientific quest. Someone has an idea, it's wonderful to support the idea, to say, okay, come on, let us try it out, let us see what can happen. I think that is how we will create great scientists and researchers for the future. Once again, thank you for the opportunity to be here with you this morning. Congratulations for the presentation, for the value education program that we have experienced, and particularly congratulations for all the wonderful work happening here in the school, the work of helping our children grow up into good persons and good citizens. God bless you.
Thank you, Father, for those uplifting and praiseworthy words.
Storm, a student of class 60, would like to deliver the vote of thanks.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of pleasures, but the parent of all the others. Quoted by Cicero. Keeping this in mind, I, Storm D'Souza, along with the students of class 6C and 6D, begin by thanking the Lord Almighty for making this value education program a resounding success. I would like to thank our provincial, Father Xavier Silvera, for accepting our invitation and taking time off your schedule. I would like to thank our rector, Reverend Father Barnaby D'Souza, our principal, Ms. Sangeeta Bhattacharya, and our administrator, Father Akil Abraham, for giving us this opportunity to show our skills and talents. I extend my thanks to our supervisor, Gina ma'am, our headmistress, Miss Josna ma'am, and our class teachers, Teacher Cheryl and Teacher Zubia, for their timely guidance and support. I would like to thank the non-teaching staff for their support and the domestic staff for their help in making arrangements for this program. A special thanks to Nirvi for a beautiful card and to the parents for helping out with the backdrop and props. I would like to thank all my friends for their enthusiastic and energetic participation. Your dedication and cooperation has made this program a success. Lastly, I would like to thank the wonderful audience present here. Good morning and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Storm.
With this, we come to the conclusion of today's Value Education Assembly. Kindly stand as we begin to sing the school anthem.
Resounding in the Navi Mumbai skies. us to the exit.